Good morning, grade 9. Today we'll see betweenness. Suppose there are 3 points A, B and C. These are the 3 points and they are collinear. Collinear means only one line passes through them or they are present on a straight line. Alright. Now if these 3 are the points, then there are 3 possibilities. Either point B is in between A and C, or point A is between C and B, or point C is in between A and B. So either of these points can be in between. Here we don't have any other information, so we can have these 3 possibilities. But if I put one condition, if distance AB is equal to 4, then I say distance BC is equal to 6 units, of course, and I say that distance AC is equal to 10. Okay, if I put it in this way, now what can you say? Which is the biggest distance? AC. That means A, and look at these points. Is this 2 adding up to 10? Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10. That means AC is the biggest segment, so these should be the endpoints. So naturally we have A over here and C over here, and in between this, which point will lie? B will lie. If I give this condition, then this is the only possibility and these 2 possibilities are not there. So once you have this information, you can easily decide which point is lying in between the other 2. And this betweenness is denoted as A dash B dash C. This is to say that B is in between A and C. This is the concept of betweenness. So depending on this, you have question number 3 in your textbook. So let's see that question. Now see, questions 3 states that, I'll just read it for you. From the information given below, find which point is between the other 2. If the points are not collinear, state so. And first example they have given as distance P, R is equal to 7. Then they have given distance PQ is equal to 10. And they have given as distance QR is equal to 3. Now look students, look at the diagrams, numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. So immediately you can say these 3 points are collinear. Now this is 10 is the longest length. That means endpoints will be P and Q. Yes or no? Orally also you can do this. So P and Q are endpoints. So which is the remaining point? R will be in between. Now this is possible only if the 3 points are in straight line. And therefore if this addition matches with the third number, then you can say that the points are collinear. If 2 are not adding up to give the third number, then the points are not collinear or they are non-collinear. It is as good as it. But how to represent? You always write. Now you know that this 2 will add up to this. So you write distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. And distance PQ is already given as 10. Okay. So from this 2 is equal to this. So what you can write? Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to distance P, Q. Okay. So, and draw it like this also, diagrammatically. So we know that this is endpoint. So P and Q, R will be over here. Now what is PR? PR is 7, P to R is 7. What is PQ? P to Q. So you can write it like this. This is 10. And how much is QR? Q to R is 3 units. What is the betweenness? P dash R dash Q is the betweenness. So points are collinear. Okay, what you will write? Points are collinear and betweenness is P dash R dash Q. Is it clear? Now this is your second example from your textbook. Now looking at this itself, you will be able to tell that biggest number over here is 8 and these are 2 smaller ones. 6 plus 4 is not equal to 8. You have to calculate this mentally. 6 plus 4 is not because 6 plus 4 is 10. Alright, so this can't be collinear points. So immediately what you should say? Distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Okay, and given longest distance RS is equal to 8. So 8 is not equal to 10. Alright, so distance ST plus distance RT is not equal, this is not equal to sign, is not equal to distance RS. This condition is not satisfied and therefore points are not collinear. This is how you have to write. Okay. So there are in all I think 6 examples. You are going to do it in this way. State if they are collinear, and then if they are collinear, state which say which point is between the other two and write the betweenness as well. If you see that addition is not coming equal, then you see the points are not collinear. If two numbers are not adding up to give the third number, bigger number. Okay, so it's so easy. Try doing it. Do all the 6 problems. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.